What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another portfolio update. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and welcome to the about 30 or 40 of you guys who joined last night from TJ's live stream. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. So I got a lot of updates for you guys, so make sure you watch the whole video so that you can see everything that I did over the past few days. So the account was up 0.83% today, or $2,400. So looking at the movers for today, here's the account from biggest to smallest positions. Amazon continues to show strength, up 2%. CrowdStrike up 2%. Enphase up 2%. Shopify up 2%. Palantir with a beautiful day up 5%. Meta up 1.2%. DraftKings down 1.5%. And that was all for the movers. Looking at the moves, I didn't do a video 2 days ago, so June 25th I sold 2 covered calls on Tesla for July 26th and collected $638 in credit for that one. So those are down a little bit because Tesla rallied the next day, but I still feel pretty good about the $215 price. Received the dividend from Meta. I closed the Snowflake 120 puts out. I only had those open for a few days, and I closed those out at a 51% profit for $120. So really happy with that one. I think I was only in that for 2 or 3 days. Then I sold some Intel $28 puts for July 26th as well. Collected $205 in credit for that one. And then today I closed out the Nike puts, $85, and that one was closed at 63%, $157. It was a good thing I did because right after hours they reported earnings and they're down to like $85, so those would have been pretty much in the money, and they expired tomorrow, so good thing for that. And then just at the close I bought 1,100 shares of Riot, which most of you are familiar with, being a Bitcoin miner. Simply put, I just wanted more exposure to Bitcoin, and I wanted something that I'll be able to sell options on. Obviously you can do that with Bitcoin, but it has to be with futures, and Riot, looking at all of the miners, is the most oversold right now, so I decided to go ahead and start with Riot. Just to clarify my stance on this position, this is my first entry into Riot, and there is core PCE coming out tomorrow at 8:30 Eastern time, so I'm going to expect some volatility in all markets, crypto and stock market. So if the market does sell off due to some bad inflation readings, I will probably sell Riot, just because it's my first entry into the trade, so there's no reason to go down on it right away. But that's that one. So looking at the current options plays that we've put recently, we got Celsius $55 puts, now only down 30%. They were down much more. We got DraftKings. So DraftKings has been pulling back, so depending what happens tomorrow, I may decide to close these 43 calls for a slight loss and go ahead and sell the shares for a break even if the market does sell off. So we'll see with that one. Enphase recovering a little bit, so now we're only down 22% on the 95 puts, and we have the 105 calls as well, so strangling that one. Intel 28 puts, we're up 5%. Nike is now closed out. PayPal, we're now down 9%, $29. Still feel fine about those because they're still out of the money. Shopify, we are down on Shopify as well, 67 calls. And then the SoFi 6.5 puts, we're down 30%. Tesla, last one, we are strangling, so down 91% on the 215 calls, and then on the 205 puts, we're down 3,700 on that one. So just strangling that one right now, and just waiting it out, really. So that's all the current options positions. Looking at the crypto portfolios, so this will be a little confusing, but you never want to keep your crypto on the exchange. So I'm in the process of transferring crypto from the exchange to the wallet, but you can only do that after like 5 days after you purchase it. So some of it is stuck here and some of it I'll show you in the other wallet. But crypto had an awesome day today. Some news on Solana regarding an ETF, I believe. So Solana up 9%. If you guys look up 2 or 3 days ago, it's a YouTube short I put out saying I sold all my Ethereum for Solana. So I didn't have a crystal ball, guys, but that was pretty darn good timing, if I do say so myself. Bitcoin up 0.8, Ethereum up 1.8, and then all of the meme coins up pretty much 1%. So in this account, all we have left is 9,600 of Solana and 5,100 of Cardano. And then I was able to transfer into the wallet, so you always want to use a wallet. I was able to transfer the other 10,000 of Solana, 8,000 of Doge, and 3,700 of Shiba. So this one has 22,000 in it. So over the next week, I'll be able to transfer everything from the exchange into the wallet. That way it's safe, and that'll be good. Let's see. With the degenerate portfolio, it's at 1,100. Just holding Brett in here. So still good on that one. And then what was... Oh yeah, so this was the Riot chart. So I felt comfortable going in right here with some shares at $9 because it has multiple levels of support in this range. And like I said, it's, you know, just recovering back to recent highs is going to be a double. So that's why I decided to go with Riot as opposed to Mara or CleanSpark or any of those. It may not be the best miners. I haven't done too much research on it, but I do have some people that I trust that are also in it, which, you know, helps my confidence a little bit. And I know that if crypto does rally, it's highly likely that Riot will rally as well. So just giving myself more Bitcoin exposure there. Let's see what else. And then the ledger, just holding the Bitcoin here, up 1% today to 34,600. So this is just the Bitcoin account. And then the little Robinhood, just holding the SoFi Leaps in this one, still down on these, 18%. These are $7 calls, and they are for 116.26. So I'll probably add to these soon, but not right now. Just not enough money to go around. And then this is the account I use to look at stocks on my radar. So obviously still Riot, BITX, SoFi, Celsius, PayPal, Snow, and Intel. Those are all the ETFs or stocks that I am most focused on right now as far as adding to the portfolio or selling options or buying options on there. So these are highest on my watch list. That's pretty much all I got for you guys today. If you guys could smash the like button if you're still watching, that'd be awesome. Should be an interesting day tomorrow with the report at 8:30, and hopefully we get some good data and have a nice rally, and we can start the summer rally. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and God bless.